I wanted to become a lawyer because I saw what was happening in my community where particular people who were vulnerable were either dismissed or they were marginalized. I learned at a very early age I could help give them a voice, I could stand beside them and help advocate for their needs. My name's Joanna Pollock. I'm a partner with Simmons Hanly Conroy in the Complex Litigation Department, and I've been with the firm for over 20 years. All of my clients' stories have stayed with me in one form or another over the years, but I often find that it's the most vulnerable clients, whether it's children or it's impoverished communities. In particular, I can think of one example. I represented an entire community that was being polluted by the neighboring factory. We were able to come in, help the people understand their rights, and then also make sure that the polluters stopped polluting in the community. So children could go to school and be safe, they could play in their backyards, and families could enjoy their neighborhoods. Clients should put their trust in Simmons Hanly Conroy because of our proven track record of results. Our results are based on close relationships with our clients, coupled with our ability to leverage our resources in courthouses all across the country. We've achieved those results because of our ability to prepare cases for trial for day one. From the very first time that we meet our clients, we're gathering the evidence and we're talking to them about what we need to obtain to present their case to a jury. So in other words, we're not preparing a case to settle it, we're preparing to hold the defendant accountable till the very end. Defendants know that when we come after them and we sue them, that we will be prepared to present their case to a jury ultimately, unless they resolve the case with us ahead of time. Our team handles all of the legal legwork for clients. That way, our clients can focus on their recovery. We work very closely with a team of experts, whether it's chemical engineers, medical doctors, toxicologists, experts from all fields across the country and internationally as well too. These experts help us understand the intricacies of a particular case. They help us position our client's case strategically, and then ultimately they help tell the story and present the evidence to the judge and the jury so the judge and jury can make the right decision. When our firm achieves results for our clients, we're able to bring our clients closure so that they can continue their steps towards recovery. They can restore themselves back to where they were to the extent that they're able to, and they're able to move forward with their lives and rebuild. We stand beside our clients every step of the way. We keep them informed about what's happening in the legal process. To succeed against the largest companies in the world, it takes a strong team committed to excellence, and especially when that team has the ability, as our firm does, to draw upon extensive resources and draw upon our experience. I'm driven by the ability to give a voice to people who can't tell the story for themselves about what happened to them. Even today, I still continue to draw on the strength and the bravery of people who have trusted me to tell their story in court.